Morning. Hear me say no. You know me almost forgot to me I do a vlog. But get up and I do all kind of things and never turn on the camera. I'm for do that. I'm supposed to keep day to day. You know what I mean? But anyway. This are the, I don't know how to call the blog them, because I can't say, day one and day, well, I can say day one and day two still, not because I'm out the road for the whole 2 weeks, but, yeah. Yeah, as I say, right now, I deal with my rice and peas, You see me, I say, when I care for my house still, and I cook it that time, I at it up, you see me, at up, like Sunday, Monday, if you're real Jamaican, I say, Sunday, Monday, what that mean, you see me, I say, at up the rice and peas, you see me, you don't know me, my rice and peas, I'm a baked chicken, you know what I mean, well, yo, hear me a say no, man. Right now I feel I'm for open a restaurant. Right now the technique.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Sure. Anyway, morning again. My day here I go and I took my rice and peas to touch up on the road and I get my real wood. Is it me as well? Make me delivery yesterday and in the morning I get my email and send me an email from the phone and I got me head towards and pick up. So I go Delaware. So right now I'm in New Jersey right now and I got head towards Delaware right now. So I go put the address in on my GPS, you know what I mean? And then finish up my logbook, you know what I mean? And then check on the road for the code. You see me? You don't know it's the journey that's how it starts. But before I start and before I go away, I'm going to just put on rice and peas, set it up, them with it, set it up and make it go on simmer while me I drive. You see while me I drive now the smell just come across my nose and you see me I pull over and you see me I drop here like, you see it? You know the thing already. You see it? So right now I'm just going easy. I say big up everybody, Big up everybody where, view the thing and subscribe and them thing. And you don't know I show the respect and I say, the Jamaican youth they are doing the thing, I go on free man. So him up off and give me respect because him taking time out and I doing thing and I show what I go on. You see me? I say so respect for that because I know that you not think, I know that you not think and that's what I'm thinking too. You see me? Watch it, you see me? So don't know, subscribe if you're not already. But anyway, got my rice and peas and thing out of the fridge, you see me I say? And you don't know, me bake chicken in this, you see me? I around to eat out the food halfway, you see me I say? Bake chicken kinda John was star. Bake chicken kinda done star like somebody coming and give it out, yo dog! You see me? You don't know my little sauce I make from scratch. Hey, nobody feel like some joke chef you talk. Hey, YouTube, cool off. That me I tell you, cool off. Eat now. When I can't make chicken done already, come more rice left. You see me? So, never use a spoon and broke off piece, I mean, like foolish. I can't make the chicken done already and the rice today. John was star. You know, that T4 piece while me I drive. John was star. Alright, I'm going to put this on top of the rice. You don't know, I really use microwave still, because I open radiation and thing. So I really use microwave. I use rice cooker and everything and do that little thing. You see me? Because the rice cooker work the same way. You see me? I say? I don't really no radiation and the pan that and all them thing. You see me? So you just need it. Could I put 9 pot and thing and hot up them separate, but it don't make no sense. You see me? I say? So we just do it the easy way. Because of this, and I like me I share, me alone. You see me? So I need to go on like, me I nice up the thing. Man? To my gravy now. Yo, dog! Well, I use this spoon. You know, if you do too much, just put like a gravy on top of the meat. Alright, I eat that. Now, I know the thing, I know the thing. Alright, I'm going to the fridge now and see. One little water. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to know. I have to know about hot up, So little water now, and you just sprinkle little water up on the rice. You see me? Like, you see it? So that, burn. You see it? The rice don't cook already everything in it. You need a whip of water just one little bit so that it don't burn. You see me? Well, and then so draw for me pot cover. You see me? Pot cover over my thing, and then plug it in. Where plug it? Can you see it? Alright, plug it in and the plug it, son. See, you have to do a logbook in a logbook. Very, very, very important thing, you know what I mean? Because, if you don't do the logbook and this wait station stop you, even the police them, if none of them stop you and check your logbook or you meet an accident and check your logbook and you're not up to date or, you're supposed to sleep when you drive and all them little thing there. You don't want that to happen. So, yeah, it's very important. It's means some have to take the time out and do it because we get that trouble already, but not, detrimental trouble, pocket trouble, you know what I mean? Cost me a couple money, you see me? That's what I'm going to tell you about it, star, but you don't know, you go through it, you see it, so I learn. Can't tell you if you don't want to hear still, but I want to hold on from that for now. But the foolishness. Yes, I'm just there, I'm going to make sure I have everything right, you see me what I'm saying? Because it's easy if you have it wrong, you see it? You do it right and done, you see me? How smell? You smell that? Rice and peas are gone. Put on this. Okay, you don't know you can't touch your phone while you drive. You can't have it, you know. You have to make sure you have this. You see me? Well, I'm tuning, you know. Mic check, mic check. Mic check. You not hear me? Not hear me? Tell me if you not hear me, no, man. Oh, figure so not hear me, man. Okay, you don't know. My headphone on and things. See there? Blue parrot. Two of them up to, you know. See next one then. I have two of them. If when I watch you dead, I draw for this. So I can't out. You see me? I can't never out. You see me? So I can't catch me with my phone now and or nothing, not little to distract me from driving. No. I know how it work. You know, so I tell you on this street, I don't know which direction to come out. And if you go straight and can't turn right. me again for the money trail, you know. That's what I said, me just pick up my load a while ago. So right now, I leave out and now we head to Canada. Well, I'm put on my face like, hold on it. No, not that. Yeah, man. Yeah, so man. Yeah, so I'm gonna head to Canada, you know. You know what I mean? And delivery tomorrow. The 10-hour drive again. So I'm gonna head to Mississauga in Toronto area, Canada. You know what I mean? So right now, we're Delaware. So I take on the journey in the night. You see me I say? I'm going to mash up road. You see it? So you don't know. But we link up. You don't know we reach a truck stop and thing. We link up again and you don't know. Because you don't know we have the hands free now. We can't have video and a drive. And things are dangerous and important and all kind of things. And also have used the necessary tool. Anyway, we will link up again. Truck stop.